Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Clearview Meadows, a bright neighborhood in Red Deer, Alberta. This community began to grow in the late 1970s as families looked for a quiet suburban area with great views and open space. You'll find a mix of parks, schools, and local shops that make daily living convenient and enjoyable. Whether you're passing through, visiting friends, or looking for a peaceful place to settle, Clearview Meadows offers a true slice of Red Deer living. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta. Red Deer is a growing city in central Alberta located between Calgary and Edmonton.
Thank you very much.
The city started as a stopping place for travelers and fur traders in the 1800s thanks to its location by the Red Deer River. The river's name comes from early settlers who called the local elk Red Deer. Today, Red Deer is a busy city known for its parks, trails, and outdoor spaces. It's surrounded by farmland and rolling hills, with the beautiful Rocky Mountains not far to the west. The city has a strong history in farming, oil, and trade, and it remains a welcoming place where people enjoy a mix of nature and community life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta. Thanks for watching!